In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to enable dark mode in Chrome to make everything look much darker. And there's kind of two parts to this, and you can choose how far you want to go with it. And first, Timmy will show you how to do it on a computer, and later Timmy will show you how it's done on a phone or tablet. On a computer, the first step will be to enable the actual dark mode setting in Chrome. To do this, you'll click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner here, and then you'll come down to near the bottom of this menu here where it says More Tools, and hover over More Tools. And then in this side menu that appears, click Customize Chrome here, so click that. And now it'll pull up this customization panel here, and you get quite a few different options in here. But the options we want to look at are these three buttons here, where it has light and dark, and it's also currently set to device, because most computers these days have a dark mode that will put the entire computer into dark mode. So if you have Chrome set to device, when your computer is in dark mode, Chrome will also be in dark mode. And when your computer's in light mode, Chrome will also switch back to light mode. So it's up to what you want to do. You can have it on device if you want, and then it will switch back and forth based on whether or not your device is currently in dark mode. But if you just want to have dark mode all the time, you want to click dark here. And now, as you can see, that will immediately put Chrome into dark mode. So we can click this cross here to close the customization menu. And now, as you can see, your bookmarks, your URL, your tabs, the new tab page, everything here is all dark. So that's all really good. And there aren't many, but there are some websites like youtube.com, for example, that will actually detect that you're using dark mode in Chrome and then automatically switch into their own dark mode. So some websites that you use will automatically be in dark mode now. So this is a good starting point for dark mode in Chrome. It's really easy to do and it works really well. And you now have most of Chrome in dark mode. So this might be all you want to do. But unfortunately, the vast majority of websites will still be completely bright and not go into dark mode. So, for example, if we pull up techtimewithtimmy.com, that will all be bright. And Timmy's kind of saying negative things about techtimewithtimmy.com now, but this is all bright, and most other websites will still be bright. And that's because most of these websites don't even have an official dark mode you can switch to, or even if they do, they're not detecting it and switching automatically. So even though the new tab page is dark and the URL bar and the tabs and everything will still be dark, most websites will still be bright. But if you want to, you can actually install a Chrome extension that will force every website you visit into dark mode. Some websites will end up looking a little bit weird when you do this, but overall it does allow you to have everything in dark mode and be completely dark, and it mostly looks pretty good. To do this, you'll need to install this extension here from the Chrome Web Store called Dark Reader. If you search dark mode in the Chrome Web Store, there's a lot of options that come up, and some of them work okay, but in Timmy's testing, Dark Reader seems to be the one that works the best. So Timmy would recommend using this one. And then there'll be a link in the description, so you can just click that to open up this page. And then you'll just need to click Add to Chrome here and click Add Extension to install Dark Reader. And once it's installed, it will take you to this page here where it asks you to pay for it. So you don't actually have to pay for it. You don't have to buy it or anything, but they're just asking for payment because they put a lot of work into it, so they hope some people might. You certainly don't have to immediately. You can close this tab for now, but if you've been using it for a few months and you find it's really good and you use it all the time, maybe then at some point you would feel like you want to pay for it, but you don't ever actually have to. And now you should have dark mode on pretty much every website you visit. So if we go back to techtimewithtimmy.com, as you can see, that's all completely dark, and we can click around and go to different pages and everything, and it's all very dark here. So that's cool. The Chrome Web Store cannot be made dark by extensions. It's just a weird way it works, but you don't really need to use the Chrome Web Store very much, so that's not a big deal. But you can go to Google Docs if you want to, and that will all be dark mostly. Some of the pages will still be white, but most of the interface will be nice and dark. And even if you add a new blank document, it'll mostly keep it all dark for you. Or you can Google things. So if we Google Tech Time with Timmy here and Google it, Google's dark, and any other page you might click on is dark. If we went over to Facebook or something, that's all pretty dark. So you probably get the idea now. By having this extension installed, basically every website you visit will be pretty dark. And now that it's installed, you can also come up and click on the puzzle piece icon up here to see a list of all your extensions, and then find Dark Reader here and click on that. And now it'll give you lots of different options. So you can use on and off, so you don't have to uninstall the extension. If you want everything to be in light mode for a while, you can come in here and click off and then switch it back to on. So you can switch back and forth really easily like that. Or you can switch between light and dark mode like that, but that doesn't always work as well, so you're probably best to go on and off. And you can adjust brightness and contrast and things, but it's probably best if you just leave all that as it is. And you can also configure schedules if you want. So if you click on Configure Automation under the on-off buttons, you can set certain times when you want dark mode to be active. So if you wanted to customize things like that, you could, but Timmy's just going to leave it on all the time. And one other thing you might want to do is at some point, you might want to come in here and click on Site List. So this is a list of websites that it will not do dark mode for. So if at some point you visit a website and it just really doesn't work at all, it looks really terrible, or maybe you can't even use it properly when it's in dark mode, maybe you want to add that website to this list here by just typing it in here. And that way you can keep the extension turned on, so all your other websites will be in dark mode, but just this one or two specific websites won't be in dark mode, they'll just be normal. So if you have any websites looking like that, and you ever need to do that, you just come into this extension, click Site List, and add the website here. But apart from that, that's really all there is to it on a computer. Now you can just use full dark mode in Google Chrome. But on a phone, it's a bit different. Unfortunately, you can't install extensions in the Google Chrome app on a phone or tablet, so you can't really make every website dark. But what you can do is switch the overall Chrome interface into dark mode. To do this, you'll tap on the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and then tap Settings in the menu that appears. Then you'll scroll down a little bit until you find Theme, and tap on Theme. And now, similarly to Google Chrome on a computer, you'll have these three different options here. So System Default, or Light, or Dark. So Light is normal, Dark is dark mode, and System Default means it'll automatically go into dark mode if your entire phone is in dark mode, or it'll automatically be light if your entire phone is in light mode. So you can have System Default if you want, if that works on your phone, or you can go permanently light, but what we want to do is make it dark. So we'll go to dark mode, and now it will always be in dark mode. And as you can see, this settings page has already gone dark. So we're basically done. We can go back out of there and back out of there. And now, as you can see, all the Chrome interface is dark. So the tabs are dark. Well, part of the tabs are dark. All the menus are dark and everything like that. If you open a new tab, it'll mostly be dark. And the only thing that's not dark is, unfortunately, most websites are still going to be light. But that's really as dark as you can get it on a phone. But that's all there is to it. That's how you can put Google Chrome into dark mode. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.